Jews have been around for 5,700 plus years. And it's so important to continue. There's a reason why our religion, our culture, our heritage has survived for all of these years. And it's important. There's always been challenges. There's always been someone who has said, you're different. We don't understand you, so therefore we have to get rid of you. Whether it was the Egyptians, the Romans, the Crusades, the pogroms, there's always someone out there. And when you look at our religion, what is our religion about? It's about kindness. It's about helping others. It's about chesed. It's about tzedakah. And it's not just, and you know, it's like Hillel says, you know, when he was asked to teach the Torah standing on one foot, and basically he was saying, treat others as you want to be treated. Be a good person. Everything else is commentary. And it's making sure that people in the next generation and the generation after that, they understand that, and that our traditions are there for reasons. You know, if I grew up eating certain foods, there's always tzimmus at our Passover table. If tzimmus isn't there 100 years from now, okay, it was a peasant food from somewhere in Russia. But if my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren are having b'nai mitzvah and continuing on other traditions, I'll be happy. I'll be, you know, that's good. Because I also think in a lot of ways, we're the conscience of the world. The Jews have been the conscience of the world in saying, you know, you need to be good. You need to treat others fairly, regardless of what their real religion is. We're all people. We're all human beings. And we need to continue that, to be there. And that's why it's important. That, to me, that's the ultimate importance, is that to remind people to be good and to treat others kindly and with fairness.